Hello guys, today is all about nature. Wait a minute. And we have our special guest star, Cookie. Cookie is a snake, so she only talks in snakes. Okay, so today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about nature. Now, snakes are suffering habitat loss and stuff like that because people use their skin or something to make bags. They're suffering habitat loss, and also people that kill them. And we have a giraffe here in our studio today. We have an elephant, a crab, a tiger, a horse, and a zebra. Okay, so first I'll tell you a little bit about rattlesnakes. So rattlesnakes, people are using their skin and stuff to make clothes. And let me tell you something that I think is really interesting. Now, I have here a diamondback rattlesnake, and the rattles are actually made of dried skin, and when the skin hits each other, it rattles. And this snake, who I have cleverly named Cookie, I have adopted. Okay, next I'm going to tell you a little bit about giraffes. Now, their horns actually help them hear. Now this giraffe here is eating some leaves. She's got some nice spots. And just like zebras and tigers, no two giraffe spots are the same. Now this giraffe, who I have cleverly named Big Mama, is the mama of a baby giraffe that I have. And she also has something really, really cool. I got this from Disney World, Animal Kingdom. Oh my gosh. And it says giraffe on her belly. You can't see it because it's the same color. But anyway, it does. Same with my elephant, zebra, and nothing else. Just my elephant, giraffe, and zebra. Ow. Okay, and now I'll tell you a little bit about elephants. Now this elephant is kind of sort of heavy. I need a scale. Who has a scale? I mean, I don't have a scale, but this elephant is heavy. It's like 1 pound or something. Mommy, come over here and tell me how heavy you think this elephant is.
2 pounds.
No, pick it up. Wait. Just hang tight, guys.
Pretty heavy.
Mom says it's probably 2 pounds. That's what she said. And elephants are endangered. elephants are endangered because people kill them to use their tusks as ivory. And this elephant, who I've named Big Guy, clever. You may find that my naming nerves are very, very good over the times. Now, Big Guy has giant ears. And he tends to be an African elephant. He's not an Asian elephant. Big Guy is not an Asian elephant. Okay. Now. Oh my gosh. And I'll tell you a little bit about horses. Domesticated by man. Princess Gallops. This is Princess Gallops. Her eyes are creepy. And horses were domesticated by men for 85 million years ago. They were domesticated by men a long time ago. Before I was born. I wasn't born in 1986 or something. Why would I if I'm 6 right now? I wouldn't be. If I was born in 1986, I would be like 30-something. I'd be in my 30s.
Horses were domesticated about 6,000 years ago.
Yeah, I said 85 million, but I said it a long time ago. So, cavemen? Didn't cavemen domesticate? Okay, then who domesticated horses?
6,000 years, people living in what is today like Russia, Mongolia, that area.
Oh, in Iceland!
They did not domesticate them in Iceland. Horses are not native to Iceland.
No, but there are horses that
There are horses in Iceland, yeah.
Oh, yeah, they were from the Vikings, I think. So, like the Vikings, right?
They did not domesticate horses, but they did bring them to Iceland, if that's the conversation we're having.
Okay. Fine. You're making this video 17 minutes. Now today is also an exclusive episode. And Princess Gallops, that's all I have to say about her. And also, she's a princess. Okay? No. Wait. Okay, guys. Let's move on to zebras. Now, no 2 zebra stripes are the same, and no 3 zebra stripes are the same, and no 1,155 zebra stripes are the same. So, if you were wondering why, oh hooray, it doesn't tell me what type of zebra this is. There are mountain zebras that have brown stripes. Okay, oh my gosh, the light just dimmed. And you know why they're all black and white? Because it makes it hard for predators to find which one to go after, because they all go in different directions, and it's confusing to the predator, like which one he's going after. So that's my zebra. Ooh, and I have cleverly named the zebra Splatters. Whoa! And then there's this tiger. Is this a Tasmanian tiger? I don't know if this is a Tasmanian tiger. I
Tasmanian tigers look more like wolves and are extinct.
forgot. Oh, if there's a Tasmanian tiger, well, is this a Siberian tiger?
What does it say? It just says tiger.
This says Durabai Batat. Wild MFG from Manson Joseph. Manufactured from Manson Joseph. Yeah, it doesn't say what the animal is on the belly. But Cinnamon says what kind of tiger she is. This looks like a wolf. I'm guessing it's a Tasmanian tiger. I'm guessing it's a Siberian tiger. And she's married to a male. And I have named her Mama T. And last we have this blue crab, which I got from the Everglades. And crabs do pinch. Owie! And this one. And I've named her Cupcake and Crabs Walk. And you can tell if it's a boy or a girl if you like open it, but it's closed. And bye guys, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Da, 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 da.